me back to the sweet times, the hot nights. Everything is gonna be alright in the summertime, baby, in the summertime. And even if I have to...
To another Kiwi vlog. I wasn't going to film today because I haven't been in the mood, but also guys, it is our holiday and we do want to take you guys with us where we're visiting, so this will be today's vlog. So we're at a Zach stop. So we're at a zoo place, so we're just having a little wander around. We haven't been here before, like I say, Zach was like 3 at the time, so we're just wondering. One of these birds used to love being stroked. I don't know which one it is. Hold on.
Mom.
What?
Why can't we go to the...
Is it you? Don't pinch me.
You have to go like...
Flamingo! Here they are, guys. Hiya! We're having a wander. They're trying to kiss, they are. So here are the penguins. There's some over there, which we'll head round and have a look at in a minute. There they are. And that one's laying on the bridge. And that one's over there. Okay, so we're around the other side, guys. I love that one's face. Like, I'm going to zoom in. He's just like, yeah, I'm just chilling. He's funny. Come on, a little bit more. Look at his face. Hey. Smell fishy. That one's having a scratch. They're just chilling over there. We've got one chilling right here, guys. And we've got another one having a scratch just here. Normally have the babies in over that water edge. I don't think there's any there. We've got some over there, they're still laying on the bridge and chilling. So that's their enclosure.
What are you saying? You got beautiful colours. I like your eyes. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hiya! Beautiful! Yeah! Bye-bye! They're not going to speak to me again. No? Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, I love donkeys. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah! Here you are. Come on. Come here. Come to Melissa. Yes, Melissa. Yes, the ear went up. Melissa, Melissa. Are you fighting? Just to turn my camera off, they start fighting. Hey! That could be a donkey, couldn't I? Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? Are you impressed? Hiya. Smile. Oi. Oi. We got a new one just come out this shed. Hi, donkey. Hiya. So this one's a bully. Hiya. Ah, hiya. You bully. Oh, I love donkeys, guys. They are so cute. Right, we are moving on. We are now going to, what's it called? I can't even remember the area. But we're going this way. To Parrot Jungle we're going.
You didn't make him come anymore.
Green one up there. We've got a few colourful red ones. And the blue and yellows up there. It's quite dark on my camera. Hello! Hello! Let's see if they talk to me. Hello! 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 Oh, they're just playing now. They don't care about me. Hello? Hello? Are you gonna talk? Hello? 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 Alright, moving on, guys. Let's go. I got some bigger fish in there. Don't know if you can see them. Some bigger fish. This place just mostly has birds. Like there's a few animals, like I say, like the penguins and things. It's mostly a bird place. But yeah, it's just a cool little outing. Guys, I don't know if you agree with me, but why do adults have to pay so much money when you go into places when it's more aimed for kids? Tell me why. That really pees me off. So what have we got here? Ooh. Don't know what they are. Anyway, we'll carry on. Got some more little birds up there. And then, oh, got some colourful ones here. Hope you can see them. There's one on the fence there. There's some sitting up there. Oh, itchy now. Yeah, so weather's not been great, so we still want to go out and do things. So, oh my god, it's huge. What is that? So, oh, pretty. Walking across the bridge. Yeah, so we still want to come out and do stuff. So obviously we're just making it small little things to do. Look at the size of these. Hello. Zoom in. You big. Oh, anyway guys, let's carry on. I've seen the dinosaurs. More dinosaurs. He's scary. He's scary. Right. There we go, some more over there. This is a train ride that you come through. A little dinosaur over there. That's just a little waterfall and a sitting area. So I'm going to come back round here. Oh guys, and the one thing I haven't told you is that they do have otters. Their feeding time is not till much later on, so I don't know if we'll be here when they do the next feed. But hopefully they will come out at some point so I can show you my lovely otters, because if you don't know by now, I am in love with otters. Otters are my favourite. So we're going to go and check them out and see if they're there. There they are. That's a newtie one at the back. He's a newtie otter. I think he wants otter babies. I can have an otter baby. Can you give me an otter baby?
High above the clouds somewhere, rain is falling from the sky, but it never touches you, you're way up high. No more worries.
Hey guys, I'm just walking over to the otters because they're doing their feed in a minute. I'm so excited. Zach did really amazing today, so I want you guys to hit the thumbs up. He fed the penguins, and the thing is, it really annoyed me, right? I forgot my camera and my phone. We went back to the car to get Zach's coat because it was spitting a little bit earlier, and I forgot to pick up my camera and my phone again, so I had to come back and get it. So we're just gonna hang around and wait.
What's that? Piece of a tortoise, a fish. What is it? I ask. Can you come down because I don't want you to fall. What is that not eating?
liver?
Liver. Oh. Oh, excuse me, I want some more. Mister, I want an ice cream. Oh. No, that's fine.